Did you know that you can make up to $90,000 per month on YouTube as a complete beginner without having to film anything? You don't need to spend any money on camera equipment or mics. You're not going to be showing your own face. You're not going to be recording your own voice. You don't need any experience to do this. In fact, I'm actually going to show you how to set this up step by step throughout this video. So I would really like for you to stick with me until the end of this video to maximize your earnings. Also, count how many times throughout this video you see this logo pop up on the screen. Over here, comment down below on this video the amount of times you saw it pop up. The first person who gets the right answer will get shouted out in tomorrow's video and win $20 to their PayPal or Bitcoin wallet. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Sorry for not having my webcam in this video, but I'm busy moving houses and I left my SD card at the other place, so I have nothing to actually record my camera on or save that video to. So today's video is just going to be my voice and the screen. But that doesn't matter, because in today's video I'm still going to be dropping some epic and valuable content for you guys. So if you really enjoy my content, please leave a like down below. It really pumps me up to see you guys enjoying my content and leaving positive comments down below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset channel if you're new, to get tons of free courses, free value. It's literally free. You can just tap the subscribe button and it's done, and you will get a personal message from me every time I upload a value-packed video, an epic video just like this one. Also, if you want to get one-on-one mentoring with me in my Drop Servicing University online program, you can go down below to the first link in the description. Use this coupon on the screen over here to get 80% off this program. You get lifetime access and instant access as well. And you will see a free 7-minute training on that link down below, which will explain to you what's in this course and all of my results and a lot of my students' results. But without further ado, I want you to come over to this website over here. This website over here is an incredible tool that a lot of you don't know of. It's like one of those secret free tools that's not heavily advertised because it beats a lot of the paid tools. Blender.org is the first website where you can completely create done for you meshes, animation, physics and simulations, 3D creations, and all sorts of 3D videos completely for free. Take a look at this over here. This tool is completely open source, meaning it's free forever. There's no free trial. You can download it and use it for free for any use forever, which I really like about this. They don't collect your email. They don't ask you for credit card information. All you need to do is tap on the download Blender option over here. You can download Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other versions as well, even the Steam code, and it's 169 megs, which should just take a couple of minutes to download depending on your internet speed. And also, I just wanted to say, watch until the end of this video, and at the end of this video I'm actually going to do another giveaway for you guys. That's right, 2 giveaways in this video. At the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can win my 6-figure Drop Servicing University program completely for free. So without further ado, make sure to keep watching. And take a look at this, guys. This is some of the animations that you can create with this free tool. It literally looks like one of those animation movies that are, well, trending worldwide. You get VFX tools, done for you modeling, sculptures and UVs, a Cycles render engine with VR rendering support. You've got animation and rigging, story art, drawing in 2D and 3D, and make it your own. You can do anything. You can also join the development fund and get donations. But like I said, you need to come over to blender.org and download this tool over here and install it over here. And what I'll do is, in the description of this video, make sure to click on it at the end. I will give you a free training on this Blender program on how you can actually create animations. But this tool will do everything for you. You can import done for you animations as well for the strategy. And the next thing that I want to show you guys is this awesome workout routine over here that was actually made with blender.org, this free tool. And I want you to take a look at this. Let me just quickly play this for you for a couple of seconds. I'm going to leave the audio off, but you can see if I skip through, this animation character shows you how to do these core leg raises exercise. And they give you a 60-minute timer, and it's a whole 8 exercises to shrink stomach fat. Now this video using this blender.org tool got over 31 million views in just 3 years. Now, as you can see, this is a good quality tool that gets a lot of views. It keeps people on the video and it keeps your audience's retention, because it's not just some crappy looking animation tool. It's a very professional and high quality tool that you can use to make animation videos just like this. And as you can see, they have a voiceover as well. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create this voiceover without actually using your own voice, and you don't need to record or talk anything yourself. So this really suits you if you're a shy person that's not into talking to people on YouTube, but you want to start a YouTube channel as well. And I want to show you something. I can actually show you how much this channel is making. If I come over to this tool called Social Blade and paste in their YouTube channel link, I can view all the analytics of their channel. So this channel has actually gone up a lot in revenue this month. The last time I checked, they were at $90,000 every single month, which is where I got the title of this video. So over here, using blender.org, creating simple animation videos with a basic voiceover, they are making $120,000 every single month, anywhere between 1.4 and 5.1 million views on YouTube. Now, since I earn on YouTube as well, I can tell you these earnings are pretty accurate, and you can actually see their daily earnings are anywhere between $4K and $16,000 every single month. Now, this channel has been around for quite some time, but you can see the power of this and how far you can actually get if you are consistent at this and keep doing this on a daily or a consistent schedule, because YouTube favors content creators who can see they're putting in the effort, they're posting every day or on a fixed schedule such as every Thursday or Friday, and the YouTube algorithm appreciates that because you bring in YouTube business. In reward, they're giving you lots of views and revenue. And this is how you can get started. Just come over to YouTube and just type in blender.org tutorial as well, and you can click on enter, and over here you will see tons of beginner tutorials. For example, how to decorate a 3D donut, and you can go and create a whole video, top 5 dessert recipes, and just use blender.org to create your animation videos. Over here is how to do animations, for example, like star jumps and Fortnite dances. Here is, for example, rockets, lighting, and there's tons of tutorials on how to perfect blender.org. Here's the official Blender YouTube channel, so you can come over to the channel over here, give them a subscribe, and you can follow all of the content and the tutorials so that you can learn how to master their tool and run your own profitable YouTube channel and business. And the thing is, guys, once you've created your own character for your channel, for example, if I come to their channel, they've created this female character over here. So once you've created your own character using these tutorials over here, it's very easy to do this again and again, as you can copy your character's template in each and every video, and it makes the whole process so much quicker. And once your character is created, you can come over to this website over here called Vidnami.com, which is a software or a tool that will create tons of done-for-you videos that you can include your 3D character with. So this tool does have a free trial, so you can come over directly to Vidnami.com. Let me just come back quickly over here to the free trial page and show you. Over here, just click on try for free. It'll ask for your email, and once you've signed in with your free trial, this is what the tool looks like. So take a look at this. You can create a influencer video, you can create an instant ad, sales videos, and a course or training video. And over here you can click on create new video over here. So just click on create new video. Here you can see tons of done for you templates such as cool blue and lime green, and over here you can see tons of training videos for you as well. So let me click on play for one of these. This voice over here that's playing right now, you can overlay, just enter text onto this video. This voiceover will start talking for you. You can upload your own animation video that you've now created with blender.org and create your own video. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on content video over here, click on cool blue, click on use template, for example. It's just going to load the script for you, and you can write and paste your own video script over here. So what you can go and do is you can go over to Google and type in top 5 recipes. Wait, click on enter over here, just choose, for example, this website here, 100 healthy dinner recipes, and you can actually go and do this. You can use this for your intro. So for example, you can copy this for your intro, come over to Vidnami, paste this over here, click on enter, and you can start off with number 1, the slow cooker seafood ramen. Come back to Vidnami, paste it over here, and under number 1 you can just go and copy all of these ingredients and the directions, for example, and paste this over here, and then you can click on enter again and start off with number 2 and put your top 5 recipes. You can click on create scenes over here. Vidnami will take all of this text, put it into a video for you, and that's it. You can then use this tool and upload it to YouTube and create your own YouTube channel. So take a look at this. If I click on play, You can see what this video looks like. It's made its own video for me. I can add my own videos, my own scenes, my own images. This is where you would go to uploads over here and upload your own blender.org 3D animations just to increase the quality of your videos, as people seem to like these kind of videos. So that's why this tool, Vidnami, with blender.org is a perfect combination if you want to be a content creator without actually making your own videos. The next thing that you want to do is, for another professional voiceover, is come over to this website over here. It's called Speedcello.com. You can instantly transform any text into 100% human sounding voiceover with only 3 clicks. As you can see, this doesn't sound like any of those free cheap robot voice to text generators. This sounds like an actual human, male and female voices included. The only text to speech engine that actually adds inflections in the voice, and it works in English and 23 other languages, over 30 different human sounding voices. You can read the text in 3 ways: normal tone, joyful tone, and a serious tone. And you can say goodbye to any expensive voiceover and unrealistic freelancers. Take a look at this. This tool only costs $47. It's currently on a 53% discount. All you need to do is just go over to speedcello.com. It will already be applied for you, and you can check out with this tool. And one more thing, guys, come over to clickbank.com and just type in recipe over here, click on enter, and you will see tons of affiliate products that you can go and paste in the description of your YouTube videos to get affiliate marketing sales as well. So for example, over here is the alkaline diet recipes, the 33 best recipes with pictures and calories. You're going to get a commission of $3.25 per sale that you make. Imagine 20 of these sales a day. That's an extra $60 a day that you can make in small little recipe affiliate commissions. There's some bigger products over here, such as the plant-based recipe cookbook 2.0, where you'll get $15.10 every day. Now, if you get, for example, let's just take 10,000 views on a video, and I take the rule of 1% of people convert. 1% of 10,000 is 100. 100 times $15.10, you can potentially make $1,500 extra on a video that gets 10,000 views in little affiliate marketing sales. This is the power of affiliate marketing. Not only that, you're going to get tons of revenue from YouTube, and before you know it, you've got 2 massive streams of income coming in directly from YouTube without showing your face, without recording your own voice, without recording your own face, and you've got blender.org, a free tool, and Vidnami creating all of the content for you. Over here, guys, is my 6-figure drop servicing university program, my 57 intensive training program with one-on-one mentoring with me. Over here is that 7-month training. If you want to get the chance to win this, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and comment down below something motivational in the comments. In the next video, I'm going to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway, and I'm also going to pop up the comment of my favorite quote down below on this video, and you will win my 6-figure training program as well. So make sure to leave your likes, subscribe down below, go leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video if you're the winner. And also click on this playlist on the screen. It's tons of done for you free videos, a free course on YouTube that will teach you even more about drop servicing. Without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.